I get to ask a lot of questions. It's Freddie, tell me what's a replacement window and what's a new construction window look like. Again, uh, this can be applied if you just change one window, if you're doing full home renovations. I think this information can apply anywhere. In this case, this family has the option to do a replacing window or a do new construction window. Replacing window, we're gonna take the sashes, we're gonna leave the frame of the window, and we're gonna replace for the replacing window. New construction window, we don't leave nothing in there. Everything goes out, including the trim outside. There is a little trim work, little molding outside that comes off. There is a weight right here that comes off. So whole thing comes off. We put another 2x4 each side, and then we do waterproofing really good, and then we install the window. So that means there's no way air can come inside. There is nothing all left it. The only problem is it's just so much more work because we now have to work on the exterior part and the siding and all of those things. So that's kind of basically the difference between one and the other. Let me just bring it closer so you can have an idea what I'm talking about. All right, so this is right here. It is it's an all window, right? So this right here, it's a sash for the all window. So can you see the trim right here? I guess you can see the trim. This trim comes off, and then we can remove these two sashes, remove the storm window outside, and then we can replace the new replacing windows. But this frame stays. And if this will not be a complete got out, that means it should be plastered and it should be molding right here. So basically, we don't want to touch it. In the new construction, we have to touch that trim inside. So basically, now we have to deal with the molding inside. We have to deal with the molding outside. So it just adds up so much more work to the thing, and that's why it gets more expensive. But the great thing with that is now whole thing is gone. We can really re-insulate it really good, leaving no gap for air coming in. So that just makes a huge difference when you come in doing the right way or making it insulated. Now I'm gonna just bring it to you guys a new construction window, what it looks like, for you to have an idea. And see right there, right here, the only one that fits is new construction. And this type, we cut it, wrap it around here, and then the window flange sits on top of this, and we just nail it all the way around. So just make it waterproof much better, airtight much better, and it just lasts longer product. And also there is nothing left. Like you see over there on our window, there's no really a huge gap where the air is gonna be, where the cold thing is gonna come inside, or the hat. So it's better waterproofing. It's basically just a lot of peace of mind. You don't have to worry about it for years to come. There's another 100 years, you don't have to worry about it. Obviously, you have to choose the right quality window that's gonna give you that years of durability. But